Welcome back to Autoland, the ultimate destination for exploring the latest in the automotive and heavy-duty machinery world. If you're passionate about power, performance, and engineering excellence, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most advanced truck engines for 2026, the Paccar MX-15, known for its blend of brute strength and refined efficiency. This engine is set to redefine how we think about long-haul trucking and heavy-duty performance. So buckle up, because we're about to break down why the MX-15 is a game-changer. The Paccar MX-15 is the evolution of Paccar's highly respected engine lineup. Designed to meet the ever-growing demands of modern trucking, it delivers exceptional horsepower, massive torque, and fuel efficiency improvements that will keep both drivers and fleet owners impressed. With the 2026 model, Paccar has pushed boundaries with advanced technology, reduced emissions, and a stronger build that can handle the toughest conditions without sacrificing comfort or control. Under the hood, the MX-15 boasts a displacement of 15 liters, and in its highest configuration, it produces an impressive 615 horsepower and up to 2,150 pound-feet of torque. This is serious pulling power, ideal for heavy freight and challenging terrain. Paccar has engineered this engine with precision fuel injection, advanced turbocharging, and an optimized combustion process, making it both responsive and reliable on every journey. The result: power delivery that's smooth when you want it and aggressive when you need it. One of the standout features for 2026 is the improved fuel economy. Thanks to cutting-edge engine mapping, reduced internal friction, and an updated after-treatment system, the MX-15 offers better miles per gallon than its predecessors. That means lower operating costs and fewer stops for refueling, which is a huge plus for long-haul drivers who want to maximize their time on the road. Durability has always been a hallmark of Paccar engines, and the MX-15 continues that tradition. The engine block is made from compacted graphite iron, giving it incredible strength while keeping weight in check. Critical components, such as the crankshaft and camshaft, have been reinforced for extra longevity. Paccar has tested this engine in extreme climates and under the heaviest loads, ensuring it can handle everything from freezing mountain passes to scorching desert highways. Technology plays a big role in the MX-15's appeal. The integrated Paccar vehicle management system keeps the driver informed in real time, monitoring fuel consumption, engine health, and performance data. This smart system helps operators make better driving decisions and keeps maintenance costs down by catching issues early. In 2026, the engine is also compatible with over-the-air software updates, allowing performance tweaks and efficiency upgrades without visiting a service center. Noise reduction is another area where Paccar has made improvements. The MX-15 runs quieter than before, which means less fatigue for drivers during long trips. Combined with smoother gear shifts when paired with the Paccar automated transmission, the driving experience feels more refined than ever. It's clear that while raw power is important, Paccar hasn't forgotten about the comfort of the person behind the wheel. Environmental responsibility is also part of the MX-15 story. The 2026 model meets the latest emission standards with ease, reducing nitrogen oxides and particulate matter significantly compared to older engines. This not only keeps fleets compliant with regulations, but also contributes to cleaner air for everyone. In practical terms, the MX-15 is built for versatility. Whether you're hauling across the country, managing construction equipment, or tackling specialized transport jobs, this engine can be configured to suit your specific needs. Its robust torque curve ensures confident acceleration even with the heaviest loads, while its reliability means fewer breakdowns and more uptime. Paccar has a long history of building engines that truckers trust, and with the 2026 MX-15, they've once again proven why they're a leader in the industry. It's powerful, efficient, durable, and packed with the technology needed to keep up with modern demands. For owner-operators and fleet managers alike, this engine represents a smart investment that pays off in performance and profitability. that wraps up our deep dive into the Paccar MX-15 engine for 2026. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more in-depth looks at the latest engines, trucks, and automotive tech, make sure you're subscribed to Autoland and have notifications turned on so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep your wheels turning and your engines roaring. This is Autoland, signing off.